Hey everybody, it's Eric from Marietta Truck Sales. We're located in Marietta, Georgia, off of Highway 41, right behind the Big Chicken. Today I have a 2015 Chevy 2500 HD two-wheel drive utility truck. Has 227,000 miles. It's a very clean truck. It's fleet maintained, one owner. Does come with a ladder rack. Marietta Truck Sales has been here since 1981. So please come on down. Take a look at this nice, clean Chevy 2500 utility truck with 227,000 miles. I want to thank you for watching our YouTube channel, and we hope you're having a great day.